Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 22nd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, only 4. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Alright, first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. This will be number 9135. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28. Wow, shocking, 28, because usually the 3 Stars Sudoku has 25. This one has 3 digits more. This should be a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars? For a 3 stars puzzle, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 7. Can I start with 7? 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 here. And 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 2. Need a 1 here. 1. 2. Need a 7 here. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 7. We have 1 and 7 in this column, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. 5, 5. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. 6. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row. No 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the column next, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Two. Yeah. 6 in this column. First column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Need a 4. Need a 3. 7 in this row. 7 in the mid. Sorry, 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1, 2, 9. Okay. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Need to wait. 8. Need a 3 here. About here then. Need a 4. 2. 8. Come on. 2 numbers left in the middle column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2, 6, 8. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Well, 3. Well. 8. Come on. 2. The 4 here. Where's the opening? The opening. Need 6 there. Need 6 there. Need a 1 there. Need a 7 here. Need 7 there. Well, I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Really stuck. Need a 3 here. 2, 8. 2, 8. 9. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Well, in this row, we need a 9. Yeah, give me 9. We have 9 in this big square. No 9. So 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. 9. 9. Yeah. 8. 8. Come on. This is taking too long. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Well, we need a 4 here, need a 3 there, and need a 7 there. Yep. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 4, and a 7. We have a 3, 4, and a 7 in this row. So no 3, 4, and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 3, 4, and a 7 goes in those 3 boxes. 3, 4, and a 7. Okay. So what are the other 2 numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. Yeah. Here should be the 2, 6, and 8. 2, 6, and 8. Okay. 6 and the 1. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Then need a 6 there. 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. We have all the 6s, okay. 2, 8. Come on. 8, 8. Yeah. 3, 4, 7. So the other 2 numbers here should be the 2 and 8. Okay. Need 2 there, 2 there. Need a 4 here. 9. Need a 3 there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. Do it for the 7s? No, 7, 7. 7, 7. Ay. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Okay, need a 1 there. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Come on. Well, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. Four in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. 3. Need a 9 here. Here, need a 9 there, need a 9 here. So there should be the 9, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. In the last column, we need a 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 in the last column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevated 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2 and 8, we have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. This box should be an 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 there, so this box should be a 2. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now, so this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and then 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevate the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, 18 took me more minutes than I expected. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes or 14, 30 minutes. So I'm not pleased with the time, but we solve it again. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.